Prices are on the rise yet again. Bitcoin back up above 100,000. Shiba Inu Coin making a comeback. Dogecoin making a comeback. Everything is in the green. But I came across a good article that kind of talks about the pros and cons of Shiba Inu Coin and Dogecoin. Because I started to think, new investors that are coming in, these new retailers that are going to get excited about cryptocurrency, what they're going to be doing is Googling it. Should I buy Dogecoin? Should I buy Shiba Inu Coin? And these are the answers that they're coming up with here. I like some of them. I dislike a lot of them. And we're going to be going over them because one of the most important things that we can do as Shiba Inu Coin holders is excite new holders. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Cryptonomy. Now, you know about their staking, you know about their launch pool. They just introduced a brand new opportunity in margin trading. Guys, margin trading at a time when the bull market is about to rip off and everybody is going to be making money when all things are hitting all-time highs. But imagine how much more you can make on margin using leverage. We're going to be talking about that because as you can see floating across the screen right now, they have average monthly gains of 23.7%. And if you're bringing in 23.7% on a monthly basis, you're going to watch your portfolio accumulate and grow like never before. Now, I'm going to go through a couple of these things to point out some of the benefits, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to open up one of these positions, and of course talk about the most recent announcement and all of it. But let's go through some of this real quick. It is as easy as 3 steps. Step 1, top up your account. Step 2, set up the positions with terms that suit your needs, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. And just like that, you start earning over 20% on a monthly basis. Now, choosing Cryptonomy's trading team is an incredible idea. You've got compounding daily payouts, full control over your funds. It's not like you lose access to your funds or control. Top tier insurance with over, I believe, 6.1 billion pounds in insurance. Complete transparency and literally the best support team. I mean, contact support right now and see how they treat you before you're even a member. I'm telling you, they're going to treat you like a VIP and you're going to be very excited about the support, which you can't say that about other companies. Now, this is awesome, and this feature, click that link in the description so that you guys can test this out yourself. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in USDT so you get a little bit better understanding of the percentage returns and so on. So let's say that you've got 10,000 USDT that you're ready to invest on 10x leverage, and the Cryptonomy team takes that over. Your maximum profit is up to infinity. The minimum daily interest, guys, 0.11%. Now, that's if you're on a flexible period. If you move it up to a 6-month period, the minimum daily interest is 0.34%. Start doing the math. Start letting this compound, and you're looking at minimum scheduled profit of 6,031 USDT. Now, of course, you can tweak this to whatever you feel comfortable with. A 9-month period, a 1-year period, 50x leverage, 100x leverage. Now, all of a sudden, guys, you're walking away with 22,000 USDT on that 10,000 USDT deposit there. These are some of the rates that you guys can see, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when you're logged in a second here. Very important that these guys have over $40 billion processed in the last 5 years, 1.3 million users worldwide, over 650 different assets that you guys can go in and buy and sell and trade and jump into with leverage opportunities now, staking rewards, and so on, and available in over 200 jurisdictions. Now, if you guys have questions, they do a fantastic job of answering these down at the bottom of this page. So make sure to check that out. What are the profit rates available? You guys can see all of this. How do you get it? Contact the support team if you guys have any more questions. They want to make sure that you are 100% comfortable before you go in and before you take advantage of any of these opportunities. Now, if you're looking at some of the most recent announcements, whether you're on their Telegram group or whether you're on their X account, I just want to go over some of the key features that are associated with this margin trading. It says you have active asset utilization. You put your assets to work with leverage, unlocking maximum profit potential. Now, it's great if you can go in with 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 USDT and take advantage of that spot, meaning you are owning that USDT and so on. But now imagine 5x leverage, 10x leverage. Now you have access to 100,000 USDT or 50x leverage. Now the possibilities, 500,000 USDT at your disposal, the possibilities for maximum profit potential for this upcoming bull market are absolutely unlocked. Flexible asset management. Customize your positions to align with your trading goals and achieve them with precision. I'm going to show you that in a second here. Real-time adjustments. This is awesome. Benefit from continuous monitoring and asset management by Cryptonomy's expert trading team, ensuring a highly adaptive and secure approach. I'm going to tell you guys, if you start to let the emotions come in, if you start to let the FOMO come in, all of a sudden you could be picking bad trade after bad trade. But if you take all of that away and allow an expert team to do it, I am telling you, the 23% average monthly returns speak for themselves. High frequency execution, and of course, why choose Cryptonomy? Well, an average monthly return of 28%. You gain flexibility, security, and insurance coverage of 6.1 billion pounds through their trusted foundation. And that is very important. And that on top of the one-to-one asset backing show you that Cryptonomy is, Cryptonomy is where it's at, man. I'm very excited about this company. I'm very excited about what they're doing. But this is what margin trading looks like. And I've got some Solana that I am ready to deploy. So you could see average monthly profit 28% on Dogecoin, and 28% on Solana. So I can either search it, I scroll down, I found it. I'm going to click open position, and you guys can see here that I'm going to go with a flexible, you know what, let's go, I just want low risk, all right? I want low risk. Let's go 5x leverage, okay? Minimum deposit, 47 Solana, let's go 50 Solana here on this deposit, and let's go a 6-month period, right? Guys, we're looking at expected profits of 76% up to infinity. I mean, the sky is the limit. An expected profit of 38 Solana in a 6-month period. Incredible. All I have to do is click open position. I have read the terms and conditions. I suggest that you guys do so as well and confirm that. And just that easy, guys. You opened up a leverage position that is going to be generating ridiculous returns. It is that simple. We're going to keep track of this. We're going to monitor it. We're going to bring it back in some future videos so that you guys can see how the results are going. But if margin trading and taking advantage of this bull market is something that you're interested in, make sure to check out those links for Cryptonomy and let them know that Claybro sent you. All right, everybody, make sure to check out Cryptonomy. Dead serious. We are set up for the biggest bull market ever, and I hope all of you guys take advantage of it. But let's talk about Shiba Inu Coin and Dogecoin just briefly here, because this is what new investors are being fed, and I like some of it, I dislike some of it. I'm not going to go through the fluff. I'm going to talk about the pros and cons right here and just keep it simple. It says key strengths of Dogecoin: widespread recognition, a very active community, and low transaction fees. Challenges for Dogecoin: lack of utility and proof of work limitations. Now, I don't necessarily think proof of work is bad. That's where you go out there and you mine with either an ASIC miner or a graphics card and so on. You are actually out there busting the code so that you can earn a reward. And of course, proof of stake is an alternative to that. You stake your cryptocurrency, and it all depends. Each one of those has their pros and cons and so on. But I don't necessarily think that proof of stake being environmentally friendly is necessarily a huge, I guess, obstacle to getting into the cryptocurrency game. Now, Shiba Inu Coin. We focus a lot more on Shiba Inu Coin, so I do want to focus on that in this video here. And it says, aiming for more than a meme. Launched in 2020 as an ERC20 on Ethereum, Shiba Inu Coin was dubbed the Dogecoin killer. However, Shiba Inu Coin since evolved into a dynamic ecosystem with multiple tokens, dApps, and ambitious plans for the future. No, it has not. Okay, Shiba Inu Coin is still Shiba Inu Coin. It launched in 2020, it rugged in 2020, and in 2021 there was a community takeover. A community takeover essentially led by Satoshi. Now, this is much different than a normal community takeover you see for a rugged token. All of the focus was put on Satoshi as some sort of an altruistic leader, someone that is going to take us into the promised land, that only Satoshi has the keys to the success of Shiba Inu Coin, and I completely disagree with that. I mean, I don't think there's anything in the crypto world that I disagree with more. It says, key features of Shiba Inu Coin: Shiba Swap, NFTs like your Shiboshis and Shiboshis, Shibarium, and token burning on Shibarium. Now this is interesting because this is everything that the ecosystem team built. This says nothing about the community. This says nothing about being the third longest held cryptocurrency in the entire world, second to Ethereum and second to Bitcoin. Shiba Inu Coin is literally the community. That is it, guys. The ecosystem, if you look at it and you break it down, it does not build demand for Shiba Inu Coin, and it very, very seldom and very, very few burns Shiba Inu Coin, therefore reducing the supply. So what has been built here is essentially an ecosystem of tokens that Satoshi came up with around the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem, around the Shiba Inu Coin token right there. It says, challenges for Shiba Inu Coin: ecosystem maturity. While the SHIB has made significant strides, its ecosystem is still relatively young compared to more established blockchains. Okay? SHIB is a meme coin, guys. Meme coins gather their strength from communities, not from ecosystems and utilities. And dependence on Ethereum. Shiba Inu Coin's reliance on Ethereum for its infrastructure poses limitations in terms of scalability and cost. Ethereum is one of the most well-established, one of the most well-run. It might be a little expensive, right? But it is one of the securest and most well-established blockchains in the entire cryptocurrency game. So I don't think that that is a challenge for Shiba Inu Coin. I think that that is a major strength for Shiba Inu Coin. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. If there's a brand new Shiba Inu Coin or potential Shiba Inu Coin investor out there, let them know how excited you are about SHIB, about the price, and about making a ton of money in this upcoming bull market. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.